Not only are my elves here, but look, Sus is even here too. Oh, and they have my favorite game of all time. Bop it! Let's play.
Solo. High score 57. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it.
Woo!
Pull it. Pull it.
Oh.
Pull it.
Uh-oh.
Bop it. Bop it.
It's getting faster.
Bop it. Yeah!
Oh.
Score 11.
Well, you know what? You two can go ahead and play this game and have fun. I'll be back in a little while. Oh my. What? There's so much glitter. There's Buddy. Zart, you ruined the Bop It game. You guys were supposed to play this together. And, Zart, why did you do this? That was so mean. That was my favorite game ever. And you ruined it. There's so much glitter in it too. Oh, I don't think this can be fixed. I'm gonna try to fix it though and see what happens. Okay, there's this. Okay, maybe I can just put this. Can go here. Okay, and then, oh, why? This is just hard. This is tricky. And then this goes here, and this goes here. Okay, and then I don't know how to fix the rest, so I am just gonna go ahead and put some cinnamon on and send it back to the North Pole so the elves can fix it. Zart, comment down below if you think Zart should actually fix it. Okay, let's hope this fixes it. We'll come back in a little while and see. Whoa, it worked. I can't believe it. The cinnamon actually worked. This is amazing.
Solo.
It's not perfect, but it looks pretty darn good.
Bop it to start.
I'm so happy. If you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel.
Going to sleep.
Become a member of the Sperella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.